In order to record sounds on Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer and you should be able to find the Recorder app. Now, the Recorder app, of course, is used to create voice memos in order to record audios on your phone. There we go. So we can go ahead and tap on this check. We can also enable automatic transcription, which is, of course, quite useful in my case. We also have AI recorder, so we have some AI technologies that can be used in order to, of course, for example, to use it for transcription. And we can also choose to automatically detect the transcription language and so on and so forth. So let's just tap OK, let's grant the permissions. And finally, we should be able to start recording ourselves. So if you press this red button at the bottom of the screen, you might still need to go to settings to grant some additional permissions. So just go to the recorder over here and allow modes access. There we go. All right. I hope finally we can start recording. Yes, we can. So there we go. As you can see, now we are recording ourselves. We can create voice memos just like that. We can also pause the recording at any point or stop it completely in order to save it, for example. Over here we can see that the automatic transcription is enabled. So we're gonna stop the recording. Now over here we should be able to, for example, set up the name for the recording. We can see some details. We can also move it to folders, and we're gonna tap on save. And there we go, we have our recording created. We can also see the transcription option. We have the summary, of course, which we can generate, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, this is how we can create voice memos over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.